China has committed to further opening up its financial market and embracing international norms to give foreign traders new opportunities. One breakthrough is the establishment of the Shanghai crude futures contract earlier this year. It's the first commodity futures contract in China to invite foreign traders to participate. In today's instalment of Beyond the Wall, our correspondent Han Bin looks at China's futures market amid the trade tensions with the United States. He's been given rare access to the Shanghai International Energy Exchange to learn about yuan-dollar competition.
To keep China moving requires high energy, mainly from oil. If supply can't meet demand, the economy could stall. With its own reserves dwindling, China has to rely heavily on imports, steering it into competition with others. Sinopec is one of the country's leading oil and gas companies. Assistant Manager Peng Yi says their business is closely linked with oil supply.
一个是价格，一个是国际局势会造成这个油品单价包括种类方面还是有一些波动。从企业利润来说，应该来说是石油原油的供应包括选地，但是企业自己内部的优化供应的合理性也是占很大的一部分。
Peng Yi's company has upgraded its facilities for better efficiency. Most of the oil is now coming from the Middle East. Sinopec wants to lock in stable sources at the best price. And China's oil futures contracts become the new choice. In March, futures contracts started trading on the Shanghai International Energy Exchange.
我们引进了境外的投资者，允许境外投资者参与到境内的原油期货交易，而且是从交易国际化、结算国际化、交割国际化等等各个方面，从运营上做了一个保证。
Experts say a yuan-dominated oil futures contract could be a historic game changer.
China surpassed the U.S. as the world's biggest oil importer in 2017. Amid its rising reliance on imported oil, the introduction of the crude futures contract is being viewed as a significant move by Beijing to exercise its pricing power.
Wang Xiaojun says China's futures market has been growing rapidly. It has launched several contracts, including steel, iron ore, and copper. All have become liquidity benchmarks. The futures contracts for black gold, which sets the global energy price, could help China ensure energy security.
我们的期货市场能够在未来3到5年里边，而且我也觉得肯定能在未来3到5年里边，逐渐形成一个能够就是在亚太地区有一定的我们的价格的话语权的一个全新的一个市场。
China has been prudent to liberalize its financial market. JP Morgan's Rochelle Wei says, with its commitment to opening up, the country has to provide a bigger role for the RMB as an international currency.
With the introduction of iron-age crude oil futures denominated in RMB, it actually provides a very good hedge instrument to industry players.
Crude oil futures are a new battlefield between the yuan and the dollar. It's a test of how far China can go in the next round of reforms, and what the mindset changes in market liberalization. The two dominant benchmarks are Brent in the UK and West Texas Intermediate in the US.
With the improvement of the liquidity of iron-age crude oil futures, it will play more and more important role influencing the global oil markets. Over the longer term, there is a potential the iron-age crude oil future can be a viable reference for global physical contracts on the oil markets.
对，还是供不应求的，尤其是像冬季全国可能会在能源方面消耗的会有一个井喷式的一个需求，那么这个时候就更加需要咱们这种石油企业为这个整个这个季节性、阶段性的这个缺口，需要调整它的产业结构，需要调整产品量，来满足市场的需要。
As China wants to break the energy shortage bottleneck, competition is likely to be inevitable. The ideal solution is shared interests in a win-win situation. The question is, does China have a choice? 韩冰 CGTN Shanghai。